Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.4 question number 6. What is question number 6 you see? Question number 6 is the following fractions represent just three different numbers. Separate them into three groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. First of all, we will find the simplest form, right? That is question number A. Question number A is A is 2 by 12. A is 2 by 12 will change into lowest term or simplest form. That is 2 by 12. 2 by 12. If we cut it with 2, 1 is 2, 2, 6 is 12. It is 1 by 6. Right? Now, question number B. Question number B is 3 by 15. 3 by 15. If we change into lowest term, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. That is equal to 1 by 5. Question number C is 8 by 50. 8 by 50. Let us divide it by 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 25 is 50. That is 4 by 25. It is equal to 4 by 25. Now question number D is 16 by 100. It is 16 by 100. If we divide it by 2, 2 8 is 16 and 2 50 100, 2 with 4, 2 with 25. That is, it is equal to 4 by 25. It is also equal to 4 by 25. 4 by 25. Question number E is 10 by 60. That is 10 by 60. If we divide it by 10, 0 0 will cut, then it will be equal to 1 by 6. Right? F is question number F. Now question number F we are getting 15 by 75. 15 by 75. That means if we divide by 5, 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, right? That means 3 1 is 3 and 3 5 is 15. That is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. That's F. And we will find G. What is the value of G? G is 12 by 60. 12 by 60. That is 12 1 is 12. 12 1 is 12 and 12 5 is 60. 12 5 is 60. Right? That is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5. H. H is equal to 16 by 96. 16 by 96. Right? Therefore, if we divide it by 2, 2 it is 18, 8 is 16, 2, 2 4 is 8, 16, 2 8 is 16. Right? 8 1 is 8 and 6 8 is 48. That is equal to 1 by 6. That is equal to 1 by 6. Right? H. What is the value of I? The value of I will be 12 by 75. 12 by 75. 75. If we cut it by 3, 3 4 is 12 and 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6, 15. 3 5 is 15. That is 4 by 25. It is equal to 4 by 25. 4 by 25. Right? I. What is the value of J? The value of J will be 12 by 72. 12 by 72. 12 by 72. 12 by 72. If we divide it by 3, 3 4 is 12, and 3 3 2 just 6, 3 4 just 12, 3 2 just 3 2 just 6, 12, 12 by 72. Let us divide by 3 4 just 12, 3 2 just 6, 12, 3 4 just 12, right? And 4 1 just 4, 4 6 just 24, 4 6 just 24. That is equal to 1 by 6, is equal to 1 by 6, right? Next one, k. The value of k is 3 by 18, 3 by 18. That is 3 1 just 3, 3 6 just 18. Okay, and L is 4 by 25, 4 by 25, right? That means the following fractions represent just three different numbers. Separate them into three groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one up to its simplest form. Now we'll find which one is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is, this is group 1. This is group 1. Group 1 is 1 by 6, that is A. A is 1 by 6. Group 1 is A. And find 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 6. E is also 1 by 6. A, E. H is also 1 by 6. H. H is also 1 by 6. J is also 1 by 6. J is also 1 by 6. These four terms are 1 by 6. Next one is 1 by 5. This is group 2. Group 2. In group 2 you'll find 1 5, that is B. B is 1 by 5. B is 1 by 5. And F is also 1 by 5. B, F. G is also 1 by 5. G is also 1 by 5. Right. Now group 3. Group 3. In group 3 you'd find that C, that is 4 by 25. C is 4 by 25. C is 4 by 25. D is also 4 by 25. D is also 4 by 25. I is 4 by 25. I is 4 by 25. JK, L. L is also 4 by 25. Right? In this way you can group. Let us check again. That is group 1 is A, that is 1 by 6. E, that is 1 by 6. H, that is 1 by 6. And J, that is 1 by 6. Right? And group 2 is 1 by 5. B is 1 by 5. F is 1 by 5. G is 1 by 5. 3. Right? G is 1 by 5. Right. Next group 3. Group 3 is 4 by 25, that is C, 4 by 25. D is also 4 by 25. I is also 4 by 25. And L is also 4 by 25. And here K is also 1 by 6. This one is K. K will be group in number 1. Right. K is also 1 by 6. That is K. These are the three different groups. Right. Group 1, that is group 1 is the value After simplest form we are getting 1 by 6, and in group 2 it is 1 by 5, and in group 3 it is 4 by 25. Right? This is the way in which you can separate them into three groups of equivalent fractions. Right?